Under the Tools menu in the Application Manager, the Security tab allows you to manage the permissions that the InTouch application requires for access. This first option enables the local working directory's integrity check when working within Touch4 system platform called a managed app, and when you are distributing InTouch applications using network application development. The default option for security allows a standalone InTouch application to inherit the permissions of the parent folder in which the application folder resides. The last two options cover an all or a specific version of applying the security via two groups available from the local users. Groups configuration of the machine running InTouch. They are InTouch developers and InTouch operators. Basically, what you would do is you would launch computer management. You would navigate to local users and groups, scroll to the bottom, and you'll find an InTouch developers group and an InTouch operators group. And you would have to open these and add users either from Active Directory or off the local configuration. And only those users would then have access to the application. And this first one allows you to do that for all InTouch applications on the node if there's more than one. And the second option gives you a list, if you select it, where you must pick which specific applications you're granting access.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.